Hola amigos and Vanakkam from Coimbatore Junction. Today we will be on board a long journey close to 42 hours from Coimbatore to New Delhi on AC 3 tire on board the Legend 12625 Kerala Superfast Express. The initial plan was to travel from Chennai on board one of those legendary trains or from Thrissur on the Konkan line. As this was last minute Tatkal booking, only this was available. 20 minutes to train and no sign of coach display information. Look at the crowd. Holiday season at Delhi train. Too much crowd. So exactly at 5 minutes before the train's arrival, they display the coach position, which is very bad. They should have made it at least 20 minutes before the train arrival. And the train arrived. 12625 Kerala Express. Train departed 15 minutes late. A quick update on this video. Since the journey time is around 42 hours and I have no idea to cover all the 42 hours, and since it has 2 nights also, since shooting at night in the phone is not, the clarity is not that good, and I have no idea to make it part 1 and part 2. So instead, at whichever station the train halts, I would try to say some information about that city or place, and as well as share few tips on how to survive long journeys at around 40 hours and things to keep in mind. The time is 10:05 and now we are at Tirupur. The interesting fact about this city, Tirupur, is that whatever cloth or dress you're wearing is manufactured from this place only. All the big clothing brands have their manufacturing unit over there. They even export clothing and apparels to worldwide. Time is 11 o'clock and we are at Erode Junction. And this city is Erode. Erode is known for garments, apparels and other clothing items like blankets and other stuff. It is all done here and is being exported worldwide. Time for some good sleep and see you all tomorrow morning. Good morning from Kerala Express and now we are somewhere Indore and Vijayawada. Time is 11:15 and our train Kerala Express has arrived at Vijayawada Junction late by around 20 minutes. Vijayawada is the capital of Andhra Pradesh with Amaravati nearby, and it even has twin cities Guntur and Amaravati nearby. This station is one of the busiest in its region. A crew change and guard change happen here. One thing that needs to be appreciated is that the coach position mentioned on that screen above is exactly the coach over here. After Vijayawada, the next official halt is at Warangal, which is after 2.5 hours of non-stop run. After a 2.5 hours non-stop run from Vijayawada, the time is now 2:40 and we are now at Warangal Junction. An interesting fact about this city is that even the curd rice is spicy over here. Yes, this town is known for spices, and whatever you eat is spicy. Even the curd rice is spicy over here. Looks like apart from dogs and rats, stations do have monkeys at Warangal in Telangana. Time is 3 o'clock and we are leaving Warangal station. Expected departure time was 1:50 p.m. We're running late by around 1 hour 15 minutes. This jerk, I don't know why this jerk is happening. Most of the time, the recent past, across many trains, this jerk was happening. And we later, with my time. Warangal town. Acceleration of Kerala Express. Memo being hauled by a WA WAG 7 with Few tips to keep in mind before you're preparing for a 40 hours long train journey. Number one, do have fruits, snacks, and water bottle with you all. Number two, do see where the pantry car is located from your coach. See how much coach and how much is the distance. Number three, do have alternate SIM card so that you get internet access on both the SIM cards. Number four, do have a photo of the scheduled stops of this train and at which time they stop, especially the bigger stations. Number five, do have any of the live train tracking apps in your mobile or on your computer. Number six, of course, do wear a mask. Even while sleeping, do try wearing a surgical mask. Do bring your own pillows and blankets. Do wipe your berth before you go to sleep. Do maintain social distancing and those stuffs. Next station is Ramgudam, and this city is located in the Pedepalli district of Telangana, and it is the most popular city in the district. Most of the Telugu films which are village based are shot here or either based out of here. Ramgudam has a freight depot, a cargo depot over here. Coming to the restroom, we have a soap as well as a soap over here. And my favorite part of this is the couch over here. Yes, it's not that clean, but it does its purpose. Most of the time I would sit here. Sorry, most of the time I would sit here, open this, and enjoy this view outside. Keep a leg over here so that the door doesn't come, and enjoy this view outside. After a non-stop run of 3 hours, we are now at Balarsha Junction. I think I pronounced it correctly. Balarsha BD. So now we are at Balarsha and we are late again. This city is located in the Maharashtra state, and this city is known for coal as well as bamboo plantations. Irony, right? Yes. But another 3 hours to Nagpur. In between there are 2 minor stations. We are departing Balarsa late, and it will be another 3 hours non-stop run to the next station, Nagpur. Time is 9:30 and we are approaching Nagpur. After Warangal, which is the next main junction or station or city, and we are late by half an hour. Let's see if we could capture some good locos. Okay. Alco. We are now at Nagpur and we are late again by 45 minutes. What is special about Nagpur is that it is located at the center point of India, and this city is known for oranges, and in terms of railways, this has the ultimate diamond railway crossing. But sadly we won't be going over that, so while the pantry car had very cold food outside, at Nagpur, this particular shop gave me hot fried rice in just under 5 minutes, and it tasted very well and it was very well in budget too. Time is 10:30 p.m. and we are around Nagpur Itarsi route. Shouldn't be anything to this start. We would reach Itarsi by around 1:30 or 2 a.m. at night. 5 hours non-stop run. So we'll see you all tomorrow. Good morning from Uttar Pradesh. We have crossed Gwalior and our next stop is at Agra. And time is now 11:10, and now we are at Agra station. Well, this city is known for one of the wonders of the world, Taj Mahal. It's at 10 o'clock, but now it is 11 o'clock. So let's have something hot to eat. After 1 hour, at around 12:15, we have arrived at Mathura Junction. This is on the Delhi Agra main line, and this city is known for Lord Krishna's birthplace. There's a temple over there, and lakhs of devotees come here. So, as we depart Mathura Junction, an incident happens. Did somebody pull a chain, or is that an emergency brake? First time happening for me. Exactly what happened was the train departed Mathura, and I was inside the train, and then the emergency brakes are applied. The train comes to a standstill in just 5 seconds, from a speed of 20 to 30 seconds. Emergency brakes. Emergency brakes. Emergency brakes. No reason to apply the emergency brake. Everything was going good. You all did hear the 3 honks, right? Emergency brakes. Strange. Okay. Maharaja. And there are tourists inside it. MPS. Near Faridabad. Oh, crossing. Now the time is 1:55 and we are now at Faridabad. We should have been at Delhi by around 1:30, but yes, we are late by 1 hour. And talking about Faridabad, well, this is a heaven for rail fans, for rail fanning and train spotting. All the heavy departures and speed departures departing out of Nizamuddin like Rajdhani, Gatiman, Tejas, Duronto, Garib Rath, Shatabdi, everything crosses through this Faridabad station at their MPS speed 110, 120, 130, even Gatiman at 150. And if you need to spot those heavy departures at their MPS, do arrive here at early morning 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. And the time is 2:45. We are late by 1 hour 30 minutes and we are now at the last station, New Delhi railway station, NDLS. Well, to say about this station, this is the capital of India and from here a lot of trains originate, and we have a shunter Alco to welcome us at New Delhi railway station. So that's it from this video. A very beautiful journey of 40 hours comes to an end at New Delhi on board Kerala Express. We will be back with another train journey soon. Until then, stay safe, cheers and bye.